Hello, in this video I will show you how you can use Circle to search on Google Pixel 10. Right now, as you can see, I am using the buttons navigation, so to open Circle to search on this navigation you have to hold on the center button just like that, and now you are able to use Circle to search. So to use it you have to draw a circle over the thing that you want to search. As you can see, I made the circle over the Firefox and it will search for the Firefox informations in the web browser, as you can see. If you are using gestures navigation, I will show you how you can use the circle to search. You have to simply hold on this bottom line like that, and you are also able to use the circle to search. If nothing happens, if you are holding on the on this line or the on the center button, you have to change the you have to enable circle to search in the navigation mode section. I will show you how you can go there. Open display and touch in the settings and find the navigation mode. Over here you are able to find a circle to search. You have to make sure that you enabled this. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching and subscribe this channel.